Okay, the next we will study functions of management. It's a very simple concept. We have all these five: planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. So, as we all know, and we still remember this as we have studied before, but there is something that we have to have a conceptual clarity so that we can, understand things very much clearly and even explain those points very much. So it's over one question from this chapter gonna cover each and every concept, each and every topic. So the first thing we will go is the planning. So imagine you want to start a new cafe you wanted to start. The first thing you do is to decide what kind of cafe you want, where to be located, what food you want to sell, and how much money you need. This is called planning, yeah. A planning means deciding in objects and preparing the roadmap before taking an action. This is what is a planning. And next point is an organizing. After planning, you need to arrange everything, right? You want to buy tables, chairs, coffee machines, and assign the responsibility to different people. This is only called as organizing. And organizing means arranging resources and creating a proper structure for work. And the next is a staffing. You need an employees. You have to hire them. You have to hire them like cooks, waiters, cashiers, and train them properly. This is called as a staffing. A staffing ensure that right person is placed in the right job. Okay. The next is directing. Once an employee start working, they need a guidance and motivation. As a manager, you communicate with them, solve their problem, and encourage them to perform better. This is called directing. Directing means leading and guiding people towards an organizational goals. The final point, controlling. You check whether everything is going according to a plan. Are the customers are happy? Are sales increasing? Is the cafe making profit? Is if there is any problem, you take corrective actions. That is called as a controlling. A controlling means ensuring and measuring the performance and corrective division. So management is like a journey. First we plan what to do, and then we organize the resources and then start. The next we will staff the organization with people, and then we direct them towards the goals, and finally we control and evaluate the results. So these are the five functions work together, help every organization achieve efficiency and success. This is the complete chapter, and this is a complete management process followed by almost every successful organization.